we will present a review of English material from Material 8 to 13. Before that, let me introduce ourselves from class 1D. My name is Alfanat Fatimuna Hafi, and with my friend,
My name is Aileen Sarah Madani. The presency part of curriculum sheet type or resume. Profile. Full name with or without photo. Personal contact, personal information, objective, work experience, qualification, education, skill, interest, preference, part of cover letter. Contact details should be the same as on your CV. Data, the date, the recipient itself address. Opening salutation, introduction, where you are applying what your experience, education offers, where you are interested in the position, what will happen next, complimentary closing, signature, pivot name.
next material, manager role. What is Health Information Manager? Responsible for the processing, transfer, and security of patient data within a healthcare facility or network. It is their job to ensure that all of the data collected is stored securely and easy to access when needed, but only by the right people. Design and oversee health information systems to ensure that they meet medical, legal, and ethical standards. As a health information management professional, you are the expert on patient data that doctor, nurse, and other healthcare providers rely on to perform their jobs. You will manage database and design, generate, and analyze report.
Role and responsibilities. Your roles as a health information manager will depend on your job title and place of work. Some common tasks that health information manager often tackle include education, staff on the importance of documentation, ensuring that is shared with all professionals who need it, creating and implementing system to ensure accurate data and documentation, overseeing medical record and bills to ensure accuracy, making sure all data collection and recording complies with local and national laws, overseeing that relevant project.
Next, reading comprehension 12. Skill 1, main ID. The main ID, sometimes referred to as the central ID, is the most important top of a text. It is the ID that the authors want to communicate. It is expressed in what is called the topic sentence.
Skill 2, start detailed question. A start detailed question is about on piece of information in the passage rather than the passage as a word. The answer to this question are generally given in order in the passage, and the correct answer is often a statement of what is given in the passage. This means that the correct answer often expresses the Some idea as what is written is the passage, but the words are not exactly the same.
Next skill 3. Unstated without question. Find the three correct answers and then cross the letter of the one remaining answer. You should note that there are two kinds of answer to this type of question. One, there are three true answer and one answer that is not discussed in the passage. Or two, there are three true answer and one that is false according to the passage.
Skill 4. Complete the tell question. Some questions in the raising composition section of the top text will require answers that are not directly stated in the message. To answer this question correctly, you will have to draw conclusion from information that is given in the message. Question of the type contain the words incorrectly or probably to let you know that the answer to the question is not directly stated.
Skill 5. Vocabulary in context question. On the 12th test, you will sometimes be asked to determine the meaning of a difficult word or expression, a word or expression that you do not know. In this case, the passage often gives you a clear indication of what the word or expression means. Skill 6. Where question. Sometimes the final question in a reading passage will ask you to determine where in the passage a piece of information is found. The answer choice will list possible location for that information. The best way to approach this type of question is to study the question to determine the information that you are looking for and then to sort to the lines listed in the answer and skim for that information.
Next material, structure and written expression thought. What are object of preposition? What object of preposition is a noun or pronoun or a noun phrase or cause that some it comes immediately after that preposition and together forms a professional paraphrase.
Next object of prepositions. Structure. After a proposition, we can have these types of grammatical function as object. One known as object of preposition. Pronoun as object of preposition. Gerund as object of preposition. Non-phrase as object of preposition, non-clause as an object of preposition.
Next material is standing comprehension in thought. What is listening comprehension in thought is to measure your ability to understand short and long conversation in English. Skill 1. Restatement. A word repetition is a technical often used in conversation and lectures to emphasize an important point or present the same information in a different way.
Next, Q2, negative, refers to statement or sentence that Danny or Danny something. Negative statement can be sentence that contain words such as not, never, none, or other words that indicate denial or rejection. Skill 3, suggestion, refers to an opinion, suggestion, or recommendation given by someone to help solve a problem or provide a solution in a situation.
Skill for passive refers to a passive voice sentence structure where the subject is the object of action and the action may not be mentioned or might be mentioned with the. Who and where are question words used to ask about the identity of a person or place, respectively. Who is used to ask who is doing an action or who is being told about, while where is used to ask about the location or place where an event or place mentioned occurred.
Next, skill C, agreement, refers to a verbal or non-verbal expression that indicates that someone agrees with another person's opinion or idea.
Next, material English debate. What is debate? It is a formal discussion about a subject on a particular topic where opposing arguments are presented, where people have different views. It involves presenting and defending ideas, critically evaluating different viewpoints and seeking to persuade others. In this context, the speaker takes a position either supporting or opposing a specific topic. Additionally, it involves the process of presenting, preparing, and drafting the debate before presenting it formally. The goal is to persuade the audience or a judge to see the validity of their viewpoint throughout the presentation of logical reasoning, evident, and persuasive language.
Next, component of English debate competition. An English debate competition typically involves two main components, a structured format for argumentation and assessment criteria for evaluating the debate performance. The debate format includes a resolution, the topic to be debated, two opposing teams, affirmative and negative, and a structure, a chain of speech, rebuttals, and questioning periods. Assessment criteria focus on research, argumentation, delivery, and organization.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salamnya Rana, saya itu Assalamualaikum. Ngomong, kita pengen attention sih